Welcome to Module 3. You made it through the first half of the semester and you're pushing through. So Module 3, going to keep this very short and sweet. There are a few assignments and a little bit more content and just very similar layout as you're used to in the first half of the semester. Promoting health through nutrition. So nutrition is one of the course learning outcomes, and that is going to be one of the first things that you're going to delve into in this chapter. So your assignments here are you have a nutrition, the ATI chapters in the nutrition book are going to be incredibly important for you to read. So there's the ATI fundamentals chapter in nutrition, and then there's also the actual ATI nutrition book, chapters 1 through 4. That is going to be the best resource for you to use. I used that as the outline for the nutrition worksheet that you have to fill out. That nutrition worksheet is completion only. That the goal of that is for you to delve into the nutrients, essential nutrients, and what those nutrients do in the body. So it's very, very important that you really look through those. It's not difficult work, but it is completion. And then if you do a very good job of reading those chapters in both of the ATI books, you're going to do well on the nutrition knowledge and assessment questions in D2L. So those are two of your assignments: nutrition worksheet and nutrition knowledge and assessment questions under quizzes in D2L. So some major topics covering nutrition, really looking at different essential nutrients that your body needs to maintain health. We talk about describe the goals of Healthy People 2020, and you're going to hear that over and over and over again. So just learn it because that is an important topic, and it's going to keep finding you in your nursing career. We're really going to look at what are healthy indicators regard to nutrition, the domains of the eating behavior. So you're going to have several slides that kind of break that down in different viewpoints in an individual, and then different ways that you can teach different strategies to teach a healthful diet. So again, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. So in addition to the first two assignments, then you've got that nurse's touch, the last two modules. You've already completed 3. You just have 2 more, 1 hour in each module, and then complete the test. So again, not an hour total, an hour in each module. Complete that test, and you need to get an 80%. There is a 24-hour lockout, so work ahead and you'll do great. 16 and 17 really look at exercise and health promotion and weight control. You can read the objectives and really look at lifestyle changes. We look at cardiovascular fitness, physical fitness overall. The ATI chapter does a nice job of covering exercise as well. Chapter 18 really gets into substance abuse and addiction in society. It's a really nice chapter. It really discusses the substance abuse among nurses, and I use that as the discussion question. It's a tough topic to talk about, and it's a tough topic to deal with, but I think if student nurses can go in prepared, every single one of you as a nurse, you are going to encounter a nurse who is under the influence or is abusing substances on the job. I have experienced it 2 to 3 different times, and it's very difficult to handle. And what you think you will do and what you actually do are 2 different things. So there's 2 sides of it. There is the nurse who is struggling with the addiction, and then there is the other nurse that is experiencing that. And then there's the family and there's patients. There's so many things involved. So it's a great discussion question. That is the last thing that you have. It's just the first thing that you do in the course, but it's focusing on addiction in the nursing profession. And it's a really nice, rich discussion. And I really want you to think about it and walk away with, what would I do? What words and phrases could I use if I experience or if I encounter a situation like this? So that's it for Module 3. Very excited. We're this far into the semester. And email me if you have any questions or needs. Thank you.